some wild animal vocabulary. 1. Lion. The lion is a big, strong cat that lives in Africa. It roars loudly. 2. Elephant. Elephants are the largest land animals. They have long trunks. 3. Tiger. Tigers have orange fur with black stripes. They are very fast. 4. Giraffe. Giraffes are tall animals with long necks. They eat leaves from trees. 5. Monkey. Monkeys are playful animals that swing from trees and eat bananas. 6. Zebra. Zebras have black and white stripes. They look like horses with a fancy coat. 7. Kangaroo. Kangaroos hop around and carry their babies in pouches. 8. Penguin. Penguins are birds that can't fly. They waddle and swim in cold places. 9. Gorilla. Gorillas are big and strong, like a giant monkey. 10. Crocodile. Crocodiles are large reptiles with sharp teeth. They live in water.
Thanks for watching this video. And subscribe our channel.